So, if you're having problems with Roblox here and it's thinking that you're on mobile, well, there are a few things that you could do here to fix that problem. So, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to disable touchscreen on your PC. Now, if you do have that enabled, you may encounter this problem. So, what you need to do is you want to go and just go to your search here, just type in Device Manager, open it up. And inside Device Manager here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and look for something similar to this. So, like for example, human interface devices, and you want to look for touch screen. Now, usually, if you do see touch screen in here, HD compliant touch screen or something like that, so not touchpad, touch screen. So, what you need to do is you want to go and just right click on it, and you want to make sure that you disable that device. Now, once you have that disabled, you can go and close this one and see if that actually helps with your issue. Also, another thing that you may want to do here is you want to disable a specific service. So you want to go ahead and just type in the following. It's going to be services on your search bar on your Windows PC. Open it up. Select or click one of the following names here. Just type or press W on your keyboard. And in here, what you need to do is you want to look for Windows Pen and Ink. So if you do see Windows Pen and Ink in here, what you need to do is you want to go and right click on it and choose the stop option. Now this stops the service for that specific service that is currently running. Now, by the way, you can go and just choose property as well, and you can go and choose this to disabled. Once you've chosen disabled, you can go and just click on apply and click on OK to apply your save or your changes here. And once you've done that, you want to go and exit this page. You want to go to search bar again, just type in the following. It's going to be apps. And if you don't see the apps page, you can go and click on settings first. And you want to go to apps, go and click install apps. Go to search apps, just type in Roblox. And from here, once you do see or type in Roblox, you want to go and just click on the three dot option here, click on uninstall, wait for it to uninstall, and restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, open up Roblox, install it again, and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.